Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Anybody have anything quickly in the next 2 minutes before noon?
Yes, sir. I'm Peggy Haskins. Late a little
I
bit.
can't hear you from back there. If you want to say something, come up front.
Yeah, she was on yesterday's docket, she won't show up till noon. So we told her to be back here at 8 o'clock, and she is.
I'm here.
What's your name?
Peggy Haskins.
Ms. Fordyce represents her.
On page 13.
Yeah, she's not here today.
Ms. Fordyce is over in Cheatham County, she got the Zoom link, so she'll be appearing, but. in Cheatham.
Well, I've seen her on the Zoom link, but I haven't heard Ms. Fordyce. Let me see if.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You have a motion to withdraw in a Katie Haskins case? This is Ms. Haskins, who's here today, and you have a motion to withdraw from her cases. And I'm just trying to determine, is the only basis for the motion that you've had no contact with her? She's
That
not.
is correct, Your Honor, and I waited to file it yesterday and I stayed in court till 11 o'clock. And she evidently appeared afterwards. I'd made calls to the bondsman and everything else. And I guess I'm further disappointed because her bondsman told her to get in touch with me and I still haven't heard from her. And I've sent letters. She has a very small offer in this case, but I can't represent her if she's not willing to call me.
Ms. Haskins, why haven't you contacted your lawyer?
I just now got me another phone. I haven't had one, and that's no excuse. But I called her once a long time ago, like when it first court date.
You have her number?
And yes, sir. And I had it back then, and I called her once, and nobody answered. I left a voicemail thing, and I just never called back.
Ms. Fordyce, this is showing that it's set for a plea agreement or a plea status on March the 1st. If you are, I know you're in Ashland City right now. Are you going to be in court this afternoon?
No, sir, I have a hearing still in Cheatham County at 1 o'clock that was set. I will be in Dixon County on March the 1st.
Well, is there a time? I want to arrange a telephone appointment for this woman. She has your number. She says she now has a phone. So we're going to set a specific time for her to contact you so that you can discuss with her the offer that's made, and then we'll come back on March the 1st. And if she hasn't contacted you, I'll relieve you and she'll represent herself.
Let's tell her to call me at precisely 4 because I know I'll be done for sure from that hearing by then.
For today.
4 o'clock today.
Okay, I'm gonna read off your number to make sure it's yours, okay?
You might, well,
Whoops.
let's just do this. Step outside and call that number right now.
Okay.
You got your phone, your phone's in the car.
No, I'll have to use Mr. Tummins real quick.
I have Ms. Fordyce's number. I'll confirm it with her.
Just confirm the number
Just go
for
sit
Ms.
down.
Haskins.
All right, thank you. Sorry.
Ms. Haskins, come back, please.
Tell me to sit down. Sorry. I'm confused.
We need you back in this courtroom on March the 1st,
Yes, sir.
okay? Now, I don't know if you're taking any kind of medication or anything, but
No,
your
sir.
eyes, just listen to me. Your eyes appear that you may be slightly under the influence, not significantly, but slightly. So when you come back here on March the 1st, if I have any indication that you might be under the influence, I'm going to have you drug tested. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'm not doing it today because this is basically trying to get you with your lawyer. But if you come back to court with a drug test that's positive, you will go to jail for 10 days for contempt of court. I don't want to do that. I want you to get your case taken care of. Ms. Fordyce is a very good lawyer, but she can't help you if you don't help yourself. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
This is all now on you. So 2 things. Do not come back with any indication that you might be under the influence of an intoxicant. Second, be here March the 1st early, before 9 o'clock. Third, talk to Ms. Fordyce today at 4 o'clock and let her convey to you the offer that's made and decide whether or not you want to take it. I don't care if you do or don't, but I'm going to set you a trial date on March the 1st if you don't take it. And that will be to either go to trial or plead to the indictment and go to sentencing. So this is going to be March 1st is your last day to settle your case.
Yes, sir.
So, everybody understand?
Yes,
General,
sir.
you're gonna step out and give her
I
confirmation?
just
on
want to
that?
apologize for not getting all of you. That was, bad on my part. I take full responsibility. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, doesn't matter whether you apologize or not. I suggest that you leave and get your system cleaned out before March the 1st, because I'm fairly well convinced that you're under the influence. You may have a prescription, but if you come back to court with any kind of intoxicant in your system, you are going to jail.
Yes,
We
sir.
will stand in recess until 1:15. Well, let's make it 1:30 because I've got to deal with some things.
All rise. This court's now in recess until 1:30.